My name is Adam Harvey. I've just started as the Major Account Manager for ASAFE UK. In principle, the role is, it's in the title, is to manage ASAFE's largest UK accounts. My journey started in sales 25 years ago, selling branded food products into cash and carriers and wholesalers, which I got some fantastic training. And that's really where my major account management journey started. I've been in safety now just shy of 10 years, utilising that major account management training that I had and put it into the safety industry. And I did very well working in the impact protection polymer barrier market for 7 years. Not only did my knowledge and expertise kind of increase while I did that, but I also did extremely well from a revenue point of view for this particular companies that I worked for. On a personal level, I don't think I can go further than I'm a very happy married man with 2 great children. I suppose from a professional level, I've pretty much always hit my budget and revenue targets wherever I've been. I've been promoted numerous times as well. I've always progressed on up with any kind of business that I've worked for. I love music. I love going to see live music, live comedy, stand-up comedies, those type of things. Trying to get reasonably fit, playing five-a-side football with friends on a Thursday night, and I do a little bit of tennis in the summertime. Yeah, and I had trials with Arsenal Football Club when I was very young, but sadly didn't make the grade. I think ASAFE's future is going to be pretty immense. From speaking to both James and Luke and the senior management team, they've got big plans for ASAFE, which is really exciting for me to come and join that fold and try and push those boundaries for the business. It's very exciting to be part of that journey. I'm looking forward to hopefully doing a really good job and then growing within the business and maybe moving on into some other roles as the business grows and I grow as an individual.